Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones on .ua with me Karishma, and today we are going to talk about BlackBerry's Q5 version out here. Yes, today we are going to talk about a variant which has been in the market in 2013, we can say, and was a promised version. Yes, it was a promised version out here. Why I said a promised version? Because in 2013 there was a series or a model out there by BlackBerry which was Q10. Yes, Q10 was there, and it had an n number of features, n number of specifications, qualities which were not in pocketable rates. Yes, these features, these qualities were not in a pocketable rate. So what BlackBerry did was to bring a compact structure with all the specifications in a pocketable rate. Yes, BlackBerry ने ये Q5 जो है Q10 से बनाया है पॉकेटेबल रेट्स के लिए, वही फीचर्स, वही सारी एप्स, वही सब कुछ यूज करते हुए उन्होंने ये बनाया. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एंड सी व्हाट Q5 हैज इन इट और Q10 से कितना अलग है. अलग की बात करें तो जो Q5 है, दिस इज लाइट वेटेड आउट है. यस, इट इज स्लाइटली लाइट वेटेड, whereas you will see it's absolutely same कीपैड है, प्रोटेक्शन वगैरह भी है इसमें. इसमें आपको माइक्रो सिम देखने को मिल रही है, बट व्हाट यू विल नॉट गेट टू सी इज दी we can say the screen type, because this phone uses IPS capacitive touch screening, whereas the Q10 और इसका जो पहला वर्जन था वो super almond type था. Yes, that uses super almond type touch screening, so that was a nice variant. Whereas you will also see that this phone has the same size, that is 3.1 inches. Yes, it also had 3.1 inches screen size, so it was a great initiative out here. But the OS system has differed out here. The OS was upgraded, the OS was better in it. 2013 में दोनों ही मॉडल लॉन्च हुए थे, बट डिफरेंट ओएस के साथ. Q10 में OS 10 था ब्लैकबेरी का, whereas Q5 है OS 10.2. both were upgradable up to 10.3, so that's a common factor out here. But when we talk about this difference only, then we can say Snapdragon S4 Plus was seen in Q5. Yes, Q5 has S4 Snapdragon. So this was a nice feature out here for Snapdragon processor. As well as when we say that this phone or this gadget out here, we can say the memory card has differed slightly. The memory card definitely differs. When you talk about the memory card or the expandability, it clearly means that both had a dedicated slot for the memory, but the 8 GB RAM variant in 2 GB RAM was in Q5. Yes, well, Q5 mein internal storage capacity was of 8 GB and 2 GB RAM along with it, whereas Q10 has 16 GB. So that's why they have compacted it. That's why I said that Q5 is a compact structure of Q10. When we talk about the camera of this Q5 as compared to the Q10, the selfie camera is remaining same, 2 megapixel. It's 2 megapixel selfie camera, whereas the rear camera is of about 5 megapixel. मतलब 5 megapixel का rear camera कर दिया है. Whereas you will get to see the battery life has also increased, or we can say not much, but has increased to 2180 mAh. मतलब 2180 की battery life है. 2180 mAh battery life is there, which we see out there. And this is the major कह सकते हैं similarity out here. मतलब not much upgradation or more compact structure, but slightly compact out there. Let us see what it all has for itself. मतलब इतना ही difference of specifications है इसकी, but there are major drawbacks to it too. Talking about the drawbacks, we can say that Q5, yes, the Q5, it had a major drawback in the screen size itself. मतलब screen size जो था वो बहुत छोटा है as compared to 2013 models or 2014 models, as compared to other models. Whereas you see the keyboard out here, it is very normal out here, but it could be much better. The map system in this has even been worse. Yes, the map has become worse even. it does not offer the FM, whereas it has 3.5 jack out there, and still it does not offers the you can say FM out there. So that's very bad thing out there. We can also say that the key features of BlackBerry are not there. Yes, key features are not there. So these are the major drawbacks to the phone, whereas we can still use this phone because it's not very high tech or very low tech out there, but it can be used. But it is available on very limited websites. So let's get started and see where it is available. For that, you have to click on the description link and you will directly land up at this site. Yes, you will land up at this site. इस site का नाम है phoneson.ae. The site name is phoneson.ae, and here you get your favorite models. That is Apple, Samsung, n number of models. You get n number of models out here, so you can definitely check this out. Whereas talking about this site, you get to see various things out there. Let's first check out the model. So we have got our model. When we click on that, we get to see search result में जितना specified way में लिखते हैं उतना easy हमें अपना model मिलता है. So I wrote the exact name, everything out there, and I got the result. Let me see the result. This is BlackBerry Q5. The description box out here. Description box में आपको मतलब सब कुछ देखने को मिल जाएगा, like everything out here. You get to see all the specifications and features out here. So one thing which we recently saw is the condition. Refurbished condition. Yes, we recently saw that the condition is written refurbished condition, refurbished. So let us talk about that also, and let us see what all things are there, like pricing कैसी है इसकी, साथ साथ conditions क्या है, whether it is offering free delivery or not. Everything out there we have to check before proceeding. So we will just quickly go to the condition first. Talking about the refurbished products, I would say refurbished products और brand new products में ज़्यादा differences नहीं होते. There are not major differences out there. There are very minor differences. If you talk about the refurbished product, these products are actually brand new type. Yes, these products are actually brand new type. Whereas if we see the brand new products, they are actually from the company to the users. Whereas the refurbished are from company user, agency, user. Yes, this kind of thing happens in the refurbished product. Talking about the refurbished product, the word itself here means means again. Furbish means creating new. So creating new again. So this is what refurbished actually means. मतलब कुछ पहले जैसा या नए जैसा बनाना. Now coming back to the point, what refurbished products and brand new products have common in them, what they have similarities. क्या खास है, क्या सेम है? The similarity lies in the testing, verification, certification out there. Why I said testing and everything out there? Because refurbished products and brand new products are almost same. The conditions or the tests or the certificates, certifications or the sites which are required for launch of a product are same for the refurbished products to be listed on the site. जस्ट लाइक अगर ब्रांड न्यू प्रोडक्ट है उसमें आपको वाईफाई का सर्टिफिकेशन चाहिए तो रिफर्बिश में भी चाहिए. If you need a certification for display in the brand new product, you need it for the refurbished products too. So there are n number of categories, n number of parameters which include the display, camera, audio, video, the sound quality, the data wiping out there, the colorization, Android system or iOS system, इसका operating system जो भी main use करते हैं, CPU used in it, the battery life, the charger, the 3.5 mm jack, everything which is involved out there in the specifications, or which we all discuss about any phone out there. So all those things. Now talking about this phone, we can say that this phone has given something very interesting things in the refurbished category. Why I said so? Reason being, refurbished products have few advantages over the brand new products. Talking about the advantages, there are very few advantages. Just like number one, it offers you a savings. Yes, you can say that it offers you savings of up to 15%. Yes, you get to save up to 15% as they are comparatively less expensive. They are not expensive at all, whereas you can say that these are in your pocketable rates. Yes, from that I come to the second point, that is the rating out there, their pricing. That is very, very economical and a pocketable rate out here. Whereas if we go to the third category, that is the warranty period. Yes, the warranty period involved. इसमें आपको अच्छी खासी वारंटी देखने को मिलती है 6 महीने की. You get to see a warranty life of 6 months. Brand new products, so we can say that these products are quite effective and quite nice in use, because we get our favorite models, our favorite brands in a pocketable rate, as well as we get an additional benefit apart from the 6 months warranty period and everything. We get 7 days money back and replacement guarantee. Yes, you get 7 days money back and replacement guarantee with terms and conditions applied. But there are very specified places which are trustworthy and can be said as a good company or a site where you get such great deals. So one such deal is available for you guys. All you have to do is click on the description link and you will directly land up to our website. This Yes, this is the website out here which offers great deal, great products, great things out here. As well as you get to see your favorite models out here in the popular categories of Apple, Samsung, n number of categories out there. As well as you get something very exciting out here, which is COD and free home delivery along with 100% original products. So this site offers a great variety, which I already told you. Site का नाम है phoneZone.ae. Yes, the site name is phoneZone.ae. Once again, let me remind you. And you get your favorite deals in your pocketable rates over here. So don't forget to check this website out. Google पे भी check कर सकते हैं या फिर description में दिए हुए link पे जा सकते हैं. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.